Hey guys, and welcome to today's class on area and perimeter. It's going to be so much fun, and I hope you guys get a super grasp on the concept. Well, let's get started. I'm going to tell you what we're going to cover today, and then we can start with the fun stuff. Alright? Let's go. So, the topics we have for today are what is perimeter, calculating perimeter, what is area, and calculating area. We're going to be doing it for two shapes, the square and the rectangle. Now we can get started with the fun stuff. Perimeter is the length of all the sides combined. So the border or the edges, whatever you want to call it. So a square is a four-sided figure where all four sides have the same length. So for example, this is a square because all sides have a length of 3. To find the perimeter, you do 3 times 4, or just add up all those sides together, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 3 plus 4, which is 3 times 4, which is just simpler, which is 12. So this square has a perimeter of 12. What is rectangle? For rectangle, you add the two not opposite sides, so 12 and 18, then you multiply it by 2. That's it. You could just add it all together, like 18 plus 12 plus 18 plus 12, but use the formula, because in future cases when you, in like harder math in like 7th grade, 8th grade, there are times when you can't just add it up and you have to use the formula instead. So this is one of those, so just try to get used to the formula and use that instead of trying to add it up manually or normally. So just to have a quick recap, a square perimeter is 4 times the side length, and the rectangular perimeter is 2 times side 1 plus side 2. Add it, then multiply it by 2. So let's try a few problems. Pause the video right here, and yeah, remember, use the formula. For the first one, it's 104 meters. 32 plus 20 is 52 times 2. And also, if you didn't use the word meters or use the letter M in your answer, I'm sorry, but that's wrong. If you don't have your units in the answer, the teachers won't give you full credit for it. You'll get it wrong. 3 cm plus 3 cm plus 3 cm plus 3 cm is 12 cm. Or, if you use the formula like I told you to, 3 times 4 is 12 cm. Remember, use the word cm or centimeters in your answer. Whatever the unit is, use that. You could have used 104 m or 104 meters. It's irrelevant. For this one, 5 plus 3, which is 8, times 2. That's 16. 16 cm, that is. Don't forget the unit. Area is the amount of space inside the shape. So this is a square. This entire thing is a square, and it has a 3. It's a 3 3 square, meaning one side is 3, other side is 3 3 3. All sides are 3. So it doesn't specify the units here, so you can't just say cm or meters. You have to use the word units. And when you're saying the area of something, you say what are the areas, units squared. To find the area, you multiply the two side lengths together. So 3 times 3, that's 9. Since this is a side length of 3, just multiply it by itself, you get 9. That's it for the square. So it's 9 units squared because it doesn't specify if it's centimeter or meters or whatever. So time to go to the rectangle. For the rectangle, you multiply the length of the two sides. 8 times 3, you get 24 centimeters squared. Not the two opposite sides. The two sides are different lengths. So these two, these two, these two, or these two. You get 24 centimeters squared. You don't forget the word squared and don't forget the units. For area, you have to use the word squared in it. For any area, triangle area, anything. Let's try this fun application problem. I'm not going to pause the video this time, and I don't want you to pause the video here. I want you to just work through it, and I'm going to give you a timer, which I'll use my phone to keep track of. And start. Boom, that's it. You should have been done by now. It's okay if you weren't. Let's just try to get it faster next time because speed is of the essence in the tests. The faster you go, assuming you get everything correct, the better it is. So, how would you solve this? So, it's a square shop, meaning it's a square. It has 4 equal sides of 10 meters each. So, to find the area of a square, just do 10 times 10. So, just do 10 times 10, you get 100. 100 meters squared, that is. Don't forget the word squared. One more for good luck. Let's just do one last problem and then you guys are free to go. It's just for a bit of fun because I like doing problems. I like giving problems. Again, I'm not going. Don't pause the video. I will time you guys and I'll see how long it takes you. Ready, set, go. And time's up. So, do you want me to tell you how to solve this now? Assuming you got it right. So, the fencing, which is a total perimeter. The fence is like the wall around it. That's a perimeter. The fence and the wall is the same thing. So, the total length of the fence is the same as the length of the perimeter. And since the rectangle is 10 plus 15 multiplied by 2, you get 50 meters for the perimeter or the fence length. And the area is just a 10 times 15, which is 150 meters squared. So that's it for today. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.